The objective of our research is to restore voluntary locomotion after severe lesion of the spinal cord. And in this study, what we have been able to achieve is restoring not only voluntary but even adaptive control of locomotion after a lesion of the spinal cord that normally induces complete and permanent paralysis of the hind limbs. In order to achieve this goal, we developed this new robot that provides support against the direction of gravity but does not facilitate locomotion in the forward direction. This means that the rat can learn to walk over ground in a very safe environment. And what we observe is that over time, the animal regains the capacity to perform 1-2 steps and then long run, and eventually a paralyzed rat regains the capacity to sprint over ground, climb stairs, even pass obstacles. The brain established new connections. This means that the cut fibers, they regrew, establish relay connection in the spinal cord that enable to pass information from the brain past the injury in order to restore a voluntary control over the circuitry below the injury. And to transform the circuit below the injury from dormant to highly functional state, we administered a cocktail of pharmacological agents and applied electrical stimulation on the dorsal aspect of the spinal cord. The therapeutic impact of this type of intervention in humans is difficult to predict. But this very surprising plasticity and recovery that we have observed in the rat open promising perspective to improve function in humans with spinal cord injury. And we are now investing all our efforts in order to move toward clinical application in a timely manner.